Are you worn out from generic fat loss advice that seems to never work for you? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have been there, trying one-size-fits-all solutions to no avail. But what if there was a different way? Enter Belly Blitz, your personalized plan for fat loss. The Belly Blitz program starts by recognizing that each of us is unique. From our genetics to our lifestyle choices, a myriad of factors contribute to belly fat. Understanding these elements is the first step in crafting a plan that truly aligns with your individual needs and preferences. The program emphasizes that exercise is not a one-size-fits-all solution. After all, what works for one person may not work for another. Whether you're a fan of high-intensity interval training or prefer the calm of yoga, Belly Blitz offers a variety of workout options. This way, you can choose activities that resonate with you, ensuring you'll stick to your fitness plan in the long run. And of course, we can't talk about fat loss without addressing nutrition. It plays a pivotal role in our journey towards a slimmer waistline. With Belly Blitz, you won't find restrictive diets. Instead, you'll gain practical insights into crafting a balanced and sustainable diet that fosters a healthy relationship with food. But what truly sets Belly Blitz apart is its commitment to individualization. This program recognizes and acknowledges your unique challenges and strengths. It becomes your personal companion in your quest for a trimmer waistline, providing actionable steps and adaptable strategies. So, why wait? Start your personalized Belly Blitz journey today. Sculpt your body, foster lasting health and confidence, and say goodbye to generic fat loss advice. Remember, your journey towards a healthier you is unique, and it deserves a unique plan. Belly Blitz is here to help you craft that plan and guide you every step of the way.